Stop the mess! Use this simple game to turn cleaning up into a high-speed adventure today. Wobble, waddle, whoosh. Is your bedroom floor covered in so many blocks and socks that you can't even see the carpet? Meet Pip, the messiest penguin in the Antarctic, and learn the secret game that turns boring chores into a race for glory. Pip the Penguin's Turbo Tidy Game. On a sparkling, icy island lived a small penguin with a very big problem. His name was Pip. Pip loved to build ice block towers, paint with colorful snow mud, and play with his collection of shiny pebbles. But Pip had a messy mountain in his room that was so tall he had to climb over it just to get to his bed. One afternoon, Mama Penguin looked into Pip's room and gasped, "Pip, it's time for dinner, but we can't get out of the door. You must clean up your shiny pebbles and ice blocks right now." Immediately, Pip felt a heavy, bored ugh feeling in his tummy. His flippers felt weak and his feet felt like lead. It was the Boring Boulder. The boulder told him, "This will take forever. Cleaning is the worst thing in the world. Just say no and keep playing. It's too much work for a little penguin." This heavy, bored feeling made Pip want to slump down in the middle of the mess and groan. He felt he had nothing to do, nothing to feel, except a grumpy wish that the mess would just disappear by magic. His older brother, Pax, who was a champion at ice sledding, saw Pip looking defeated by the pile of pebbles. "Pip, my little ice builder," Pax said with a wink, "I see the boring boulder is sitting on your chest. Cleaning isn't a chore if you turn it into a race. You don't need magic to clear the mess. You just need to turn on your engines. It's time for the simple tool for responsibility." "A tool? But Pax, I'm too tired to work," Pip huffed, looking at the mountain. "You aren't working. You're playing the fastest game in the snow," Pax explained. "You'll use your eyes, your fast flippers, and a timer. It's called the Turbo Tidy Game." Pax taught him the powerful, simple tool for cleaning up and cooperation. Blast the boulder. Immediately stand up tall and shake your body like you're shaking off snow. This breaks the bored feeling. Pick a color/category. Don't look at the whole mountain. Pick one thing to hunt for first, like only blue blocks or only shiny stones. Start the turbo timer. Set a timer or have someone count. Try to get all of that one thing into the bin before the timer beeps. Say your power words. Pick it up. Zoom, zoom, zip. I'm the fastest penguin, Pip. Pip decided to try it. He stood up and shook his tail feathers. Blast the boulder. He wiggled and jiggled until the heavy, bored feeling fell away. Pick a category. He looked at the mess. I'm hunting for shiny pebbles. Start the turbo timer. Mama started counting. Pip's flippers moved like lightning. Zip, zap, zoop. The pebbles flew into the bucket. 10, 9, 8. By the time Mama hit 1, the pebbles were gone. He did it again for the ice blocks. Pick it up, zoom, zoom, zip. I'm the fastest penguin, Pip. Before the fish dinner was even on the table, Pip's floor was as clear as a frozen lake. Because he used his turbo tidy game, Pip wasn't just a messy penguin anymore. He was a master of the mountain. He learned that the greatest speed wasn't in running away from chores, but in the high-energy, fun-filled strength of the turbo tidy game. The greatest hero of this story is you. You just unlock the secret to a clean room. The Turbo Tidy Game. The next time you feel the boring boulder, remember to blast the boulder, pick a category, and say, "Pick it up, zoom, zoom, zip. I'm the fastest penguin, Pip." If this simple story and the Turbo Tidy Game helped your child turn cleaning into a fun adventure, Help us share this vital responsibility tool with other families. Subscribe and share this episode so every child can learn the strength of a helpful heart.